So welcome back. Today I have an incredible video lined up for you. In this session, I'll be sharing 5 proven strategies that will revolutionize your Upwork game and help you effortlessly land your dream client right here in Kenya. Whether you are a seasoned freelancer looking to level up or just starting out on this exciting journey, this comprehensive guide is tailored to equip you with the knowledge and skills needed to stand out in this competitive world of remote work. But before we begin, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of freelancers. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on the latest tips and tricks to elevate your freelance career. Now, let's get started.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race.
Now, the first step towards mastering Upwork is creating an irresistible profile that catches the attention of the potential clients. Your profile is actually your digital storefront, so it's crucial to make a lasting impression. Now, the first element to focus on your profile is your profile picture. You need to choose a professional, high-quality photo that represents you in the best light. So remember, clients are actually looking for someone they can trust and work with. Friendly and approachable picture can go a long way. Next, let's optimize your headline and summary. Your headline should grab attention and clearly state your expertise or niche. Use keywords that clients are likely to search for to increase your visibility in the search results. I think we'll talk about more on this later on in this video. So in the summary section, highlight your unique skills and qualifications and of course your achievements, and be concise yet persuasive, as this is your chance to showcase what sets you apart from the other guys. So moving on to your portfolio, it's crucial to select your best work samples that demonstrate your expertise and range of skills. Here, you need to choose projects that are relevant to your target clients and highlight your ability to deliver exceptional results. Don't forget also to include a brief description of each project to provide context and showcase your involvement. So further, it's essential to showcase your educational background, certifications, and any relevant training you've undergone. This helps establish your credibility and expertise in your chosen field. Remember, clients are actually looking for professionals who have the necessary qualifications and skills to meet their needs. Finally, include a well-written and compelling bio that reflects your personality and professionalism. Here, you need to craft a narrative that resonates with potential clients and of course communicate the value you bring to the table. Next, share your passion for your work and of course mention any notable achievements or recognitions you've achieved. Now, by optimizing each element of your profile, you'll create a compelling representations of your skills and experience. Clients will be more likely to trust and hire you based on the impression your profile makes. So take time to fine-tune your profile and make it stand out from the crowd. Now that you have a stellar profile, it's time to conquer the art of proposal writing. Sending compelling proposals is essential for grabbing the attention of clients and winning projects. First, it's crucial to personalize each proposal. You need to avoid using generic templates and take the time to understand the client's need. First, research their project thoroughly and tailor your proposal accordingly. You need to show them that you've invested time and effort into understanding their requirements. So when writing your proposal, make sure to highlight your relevant skills and experience. Showcase how your expertise aligns with the project's demand. Provide specific examples and case studies that demonstrate your ability to drive results. Remember, clients want to see the evidence that you're the right fit for their project. That's all. To make your proposal stand out, focus on addressing the client's pain points. To do that, you need to understand their challenges and offer practical solution. Show them that you not only understand their needs, but also have the expertise to overcome any obstacles they may face. This demonstrates your value and positions you as the ideal freelancer for the job. In addition, setting competitive rates is actually crucial when submitting proposals. To do that, you need to research the market and of course understand the average rates for similar projects. While it's essential to be competitive, Don't undervalue your skills. Clearly explain the value you bring and why your rates are justified. Clients are willing to pay for quality work, so don't be afraid to position yourself accordingly. Another key aspect of winning proposal is showcasing your past work samples. Provide links or samples to relevant projects you've completed previously and of course successfully. This allows clients to see tangible evidence of your capabilities. Ensure that your work samples are well organized, easy to access, and of course clearly demonstrate your skills. Lastly, always end your proposals with a strong call to action. Encourage the client to take the next step by inviting them to discuss the project further or schedule a call. Show your enthusiasm and interest in their project. This demonstrates your commitment and eagerness to work with them. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There is more to learn and implement to become a successful freelancer on Upwork. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. But yeah, next up, we'll delve into the secrets of navigating Upwork's search algorithm. Here you will discover, how to increase your profile's visibility and attract more clients. So don't miss out. Did you know that Upwork's search algorithm plays a significant role in determining your visibility to the potential clients? Yes. So the first step in navigating Upwork's search algorithm is optimizing your profile with the right keywords. We've already mentioned that. Here you need to identify the key skills, industries, and niches that are relevant to your freelancing expertise. Then incorporate these keywords strategically throughout your profile, including your headline, summary, skills section, and work experience. This will help Upwork recognize your profile as a strong match for specific client searches. Another crucial factor is obtaining positive client reviews. Upwork's algorithm takes into account your job success score, which is based on client satisfaction and project success. To get that, you need to encourage your clients to leave feedback after completing a project and aim for high ratings. Positive reviews not only enhance your reputation but also signal to the algorithm that you deliver quality work. Building a strong portfolio of completed projects is also essential. The algorithm actually recognizes the relevance and diversity of your portfolio and factors it into search rankings. Be selective in choosing your best work samples and showcase a range of projects that highlight your expertise. Regularly update your profile with new projects to demonstrate your continuous growth and adaptability. Finally, staying active and consistently bidding on relevant projects contributes to your profile's visibility. Regularly browse and bid on projects that align with your skills and of course your interest. And of course, don't forget to be proactive in your approach and submit high quality proposals that demonstrate your understanding of the project and the client's needs. Building trust and establishing strong relationships with clients is the key to long-term success on Upwork. Effective communication is at the core of this building trust. So from the moment you engage with the client, maintain clear and prompt communication. Respond to messages and inquiries in a timely manner and be proactive in providing updates on project progress. Showcase your professionalism by actively listening to clients' feedback and addressing any concerns they may have. Setting clear expectations is another vital aspect of building trust. Clearly define project scope, deliverables, timelines, and milestones right from the start. Make sure both you and the client are on the same page regarding project requirements and objectives. By managing expectations effectively, you reduce the likelihood of misunderstandings and ensure a smooth working relationship. Delivering exceptional work is non-negotiable when it comes to building trust. Strive to exceed the client's expectations with the quality and timeliness of your work. You need to pay attention to details and go the extra mile to add value to the project. By consistently delivering outstanding results, you will establish yourself as a reliable and trustworthy freelancer. Another way to build trust is by maintaining professionalism and integrity. Here you need to be honest and transparent in your communication, pricing, and project management. Avoid making promises you can't keep and always deliver on your commitments. Clients actually appreciate freelancers who are reliable, ethical, and professional in their contact. So as you complete projects, encourage clients to provide feedback and of course reviews. We've mentioned this. Positive reviews not only enhance your reputation but also serve as social proof of your skills and professionalism. You need to ask satisfied clients for testimonials that you can showcase on your profile. These endorsements will build credibility and attract more potential clients. Now, to foster long-term relationships, consider offering additional value to your clients. This can be in form of providing insights, suggesting improvements, or offering ongoing support. By going above and beyond, you demonstrate your commitment to client success and of course build loyalty. Remember, building trust and establishing relationships takes time and effort, but the rewards are repeat business, referrals, and of course solid reputation. Now, in our next segment, we'll explore the crucial aspect of mastering time management and of course efficiency as a freelancer on Upwork. Now, time management and efficiency are essential skills for any successful freelancer. The first step in effective time management is setting clear goals and priorities. Determine what you want to achieve in a given time frame and break it down into smaller actionable tasks. Then prioritize your tasks based on urgency and importance. By having a clear roadmap, you'll stay focused and avoid wasting time on unessential activities. Now, creating a schedule or daily routine can significantly enhance your productivity. Allocate specific time blocks for different tasks such as client work, prospecting, proposal writing, and of course self-improvement. Stick to your schedule as much as possible, but also allow flexibility for unforeseen circumstances. Remember, time is your most valuable asset as a freelancer, so use it wisely. Eliminating distractions is crucial for maintaining focus. You need to minimize interruptions by turning off notifications on your phone and computer during dedicated work periods. You need to create a dedicated workspace that's free from distractions and helps you get into a productive mindset. If necessary, consider using productivity tools or apps to help you stay organized and on track. Next, effective communication with clients is key to managing your time effectively. You need to set clear expectations regarding response times, availability, and project milestone. Be proactive in communicating any potential delays or changes to the timeline. Another important aspect of time management is learning to delegate or outsource tasks when necessary. As your freelancing business grows, you may find it beneficial to enlist the help of virtual assistants or subcontractors. If you can delegate non-core tasks, you can free up time to focus on high-value activities that directly contribute to your success. Lastly, take care of your well-being. Prioritize self-care, including regular breaks, exercise, and maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Remember that your productivity and effectiveness are closely tied to your physical and mental well-being. Taking care of yourself ensures that you can consistently deliver your best work. Mastering time management and efficiency, you will unlock your full potential as a freelancer on Upwork. You will have more time to focus on delivering quality work, nurturing client relationships, and of course pursuing personal growth. So implement these strategies, stay disciplined, and of course watch your productivity. So that wraps up our comprehensive guide on mastering Upwork and landing your dream clients in Kenya. I hope you found these strategies valuable and that they'll propel your freelancing career to new heights. But wait, there is more to come. So hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the latest tips, tricks, and insights for freelancers in Kenya and beyond. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.